Before you buy hosting for your website, make sure not to skip this video because I skip videos like this and I was in a mess for years. Because in this particular video, we're going to be comparing Hostinger and Namecheap side by side so you can see which one gives you the best value for your money, especially in 2025. You see, we're going to be testing several things, including the pricing, the performance, the speed, uptime, customer support, and real features. And by the end of this video, I will tell you exactly which one I would choose if I had to start a brand new website. And trust me guys, this video is not sponsored because I am somebody that in the past couple of years, I have built and managed dozens of websites and online businesses over the years, right? And whether it's small blogs to multi-page funnels and several SaaS projects and e-commerce websites, I've handled all of them. And navigating, jumping from several hosting to another, it's really been hell. But thank God I survived. Okay, so the fact that I've actually personally used both Hostinger and Namecheap, not just these two, but so many others, not only for testing, but for real businesses, this is exactly where I'm going to be giving you several reviews coming from personal experience, not from reading any blog or any feature list. Hi guys, it's Frank Emmanuel, and right here on this channel, I share with you guys several strategies that would obviously help you grow your online business. Alright, so if you're here, this is the best place to be. You want to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, watch on the bell icon so that you don't miss our subsequent videos. Okay, now let's start with what they are. You see, Hostinger is known for its speed, affordability, and beginner-friendly tools, including a free AI website builder. Now, considering the fact that Namecheap started as a domain registrar, I've actually seen that their biggest strength is with domain registration, right? And I would love to always stick with a company with where their biggest strength lies. So most of my domain names are with Namecheap, right? And that is exactly what I would most probably be using them for going forward. But imagine when you've actually seen a better option for your domain, will you still be with Namecheap? Hold on, I'm going to let you know. Let's proceed. Now, another difference here starts to show when you compare what you are actually getting for the same price. So let's take, for example, at this particular point in time, Hostinger has launched their Blessed Friday sale, their BFCM, from November 10th to December 7th, and you can actually get to grab a 24 months plan for just 2,900 naira per month. That's about 69,600 naira for 2 full years with 78% off the discount, right? I'm going to be leaving that link for you guys right down there in the description, the link that will take you straight up to this particular page to get this discount. Okay, now for that price, Hostinger gives you the free domain name, unlimited bandwidth, professional emails, AI website builder, and the 24/7 live support. Now, Namecheap's stellar plan costs around $2.18 per month, which when paid annually, it's about, let's say, 3,500 to 4,000 per month, depending on the exchange rate, which obviously fluctuates. But here's the catch: you don't get the free domain name, and email hosting would obviously cost you extra after the first year. Now, on this particular area, Hostinger wins on value. You pay less overall and get more features bundled in. Now let's look at speed for a moment, right? Now in multiple tests, Hostinger consistently load websites under 1 second, thanks to its light speed servers and built-in caching. Namecheap average load time is at around 1.8 to 2.5 seconds load time on shared plans, which is still decent, but not as optimized. So if performance is a concern for you, especially if you run an e-commerce business where people have to be making purchase for your product every now and then, or you're thinking of SEO, then Hostinger again wins on this level. Now let's talk about SSL. Both companies offer free SSL certificate and 99.9% uptime guarantees. But Hostinger adds automated weekly backups and Cloudflare protection by default. With Namecheap, you would need to configure most of this manually. So again, Hostinger is more beginner friendly. Now, here's where users often struggle with budget host. You see, Hostinger has this 24/7 live chat, which is fast, friendly, and actually helpful. Now, meanwhile, Namecheap support as well is pretty much decent. I would say that they have the best customer support ever. Like, I can't even, say anything bad about customer chat support right now. I think when it comes to customer support, Namecheap have this top notch. There are several cases where I'm using Namecheap and I need to get some things quickly done, and I don't want to start racking my brain over those things. I chat their customer support to the point where most times they even help me engage in getting these things fixed, right? And this is a very huge ups to them because I'm like, wow, This is amazing, right? But then this was before I even met with Hostinger. I started using them. Hostinger also has a very good response time when it comes to support, and I would also give an up to them. So at this particular level, I would say they have a very good draw. Or let's give it to Namecheap, because man, these guys, no cap, they are really good at this. I think they really stole the market with their customer support system. Now the next one here, let's look at the website, the panel and all, right? And if you're new to your website, you would appreciate how Hostinger's team will walk you through setups in real time. Now let's look at a couple of other features here. Hostinger comes with its H panel, which is actually clean, modern and built for beginners. Plus their AI website builder, which literally lets you create a professional website in minutes by describing your business. You see, Namecheap on the other hand still uses cPanel, which is fine for tech-savvy users, but not as simple visually. If you want plug and play, Hostinger wins again. Now let's say you're building a brand website, blog or e-commerce store. With the Hostinger's 24-month premium plan, your total cost for 2 years, domain included, is around 69,600. But with Namecheap, you will likely spend about 80,000 naira plus once you've added your domain, email and other extras. That's nearly over 10,000 naira saved upfront and faster load times over time. Both are legit and secure and affordable, but here's my take. You see, I will go with Hostinger, right? And you should choose Hostinger if you want speed, simplicity and long-term saving. But at the same time, you can choose Namecheap only if you already have a domain there and you just need basic hosting for small projects. For 2025, 2026, Hostinger takes the win. And for right now, you can actually jump on the 78% discount plan by Hostinger, and all you need to do is to click the first link in the description and grab your plan ASAP. Yes, use that link I have right down there so that you can actually get to the direct page for this particular discount and you don't miss a thing. All right, but let me know your thoughts and your concerns in the comment section below, and we can just get to interact there. At the same time, you can also join my community. The link is down there in the description. With this, guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Okay.